Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, I am Professor Asif Shaukat, your chemistry teacher. Today is my lecture number 11 of chapter number 7, hydrocarbon. Till lecture number 10, we have covered all methods of preparation of methane, ethane, ethene, ethyne, and finally benzene. This is right time to start chemical reactions of methane. The first most reaction is combustion. Combustion means burning process, and every burning process is done in presence of oxygen, and every combustion process yields two products at least. One is carbon dioxide gas and other is steam. This is your CH4. If it undergo combustion, it will yield CO2 and water being steam, along with large amount of heat energy is released. Negative side mean heat energy is being released. What is the actual amount? You can Google it from any resource. The second reaction is halogenation. Students, this is best time to understand that why do methane undergo halogenation. What is halogenation? Halogenation mean substitution done by halogen. Substitution done by X. X is halogen. What does it mean? It means if you are going to make reaction of CH4 with chlorine, CH3, one hydrogen is replaced with chlorine. Replaced mean it will join CH3 and another product HCl will produce. In this CH4, carbon can make 4 bond already made. There is no any other space vacant for incoming substance. That's why it's necessary to leave one hydrogen, then chlorine can be added. That's why substitution takes place, not addition. Addition is done only in the case when carbon is making double or triple covalent bond. In this case, this carbon is saturated. It can make 4 bond already made. There is no space for the addition of chlorine. That's why substitution is being done. But the important thing is there are 4 hydrogen. In this reaction, only one hydrogen is being replaced with chlorine. So this reaction will continue further and it will replace one and other hydrogen, CH2, Cl2, along with HCl, CH2, Cl2 further reacts CH, Cl3, CH, Cl3 further reacts and makes CCl4 along with HCl. Students, one more information for you. In this reaction we are going to use chlorine gas. Chlorine gas in molecular form is not reactive. To make it reactive, we have to convert molecule into atoms, and the suitable necessary condition for this is sunlight. H nu is energy given by sunlight. Such chemical reactions which proceeds in the presence of sunlight are known as photochemical reactions. So remember, halogenation in methane is photochemical reaction. This is photon energy provided to this chlorine gas so that this molecular chlorine first convert into atomic chlorine, and atomic chlorine joins or replace hydrogen of CH4. So in all these four steps, focus: 4 hydrogen, 1 is less; 3 hydrogen, 1 more is less; 2 hydrogen, 1 more is less; 1 hydrogen, there is no hydrogen. Mean in a single step, 1 hydrogen is replaced with further chlorine. What is the possible name of this compound? It is methyl chloride. Methyl chloride. It is dichloromethane. It is trichloromethane. It is tetrachloromethane. Chloromethane, dichloromethane, trichloromethane, and tetrachloromethane. This compound is commonly known as chloroform. Chloroform. Remember this common name. This compound is commonly called carbon tetrachloride. Students, in your exam, oftenly mechanism of halogenation in methane is being required. How do all these 4 steps continue? This mechanism will explain. First of all, remember, mechanism of halogenation in methane consists on 3 following steps. Start memorizing these 3 names. Chain initiation means chain reaction will start. Chain propagation means chain reaction proceed further. Chain termination means chain reaction ends up. So these are the 3 different phases which describes mechanism of halogenation in methane. The first, chain initiation, is done by sunlight. Chlorine molecule breaks into 2 radicals of chlorine. What is radical? Radical is such an atom with unpaired electron which is capable to make bond. This chain initiation is also responsible due to one radical when it reacts with methane molecule, and it can make another radical, CH3 and HCl. This is chain initiation. Further, for chain propagation, you can recall again CH4 attacked or reacted by this chloride or the chlorine radical. It makes CH3 radical along with HCl. Or another possible way is that one methyl radical further reacts with any other molecule of Cl2. It is also possible, but you will oftenly observe in books. This radical can also interrupt chlorine molecule and it may produce CH3Cl and HCl. Finally, in chain termination, either 2 radical of methyl and chlorine joins to produce a stable compound CH3Cl. So that's how these three steps: chain initiation, chain propagation, and chain termination. In most of the books, they do not discuss this step here. They show chain initiation just because of the photochemical reaction of chlorine gas, but I am using these both here. You can start memorizing in this way. Students, until yet, there is no wording required in your exam. Only mechanism required wording, and you can explain your understanding in your own words. No need to memorize from any notes or guidebook. This stuff is enough. Thank you very much. Finally, once again, I'm requesting you all to share this video with your all fellows and friends, either on Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, whatever is your favorite social media. Thank you.